These days, none of us can live without a smartphone. They are small, fast, and super functional. But do you know how they are made? When we look inside a smartphone case, we see a complex printed circuit board assembly. This is where the SMT process comes into play. The SMT process has three main stages that include printing, mounting, and reflow. Printing is the first and most critical stage of the SMT process. In fact, over 70% of defects occur during this step. Maintaining suitable printer conditions is a challenging task that requires a substantial amount of user experience and time. The printing process spans several dependencies that influence product quality, including squeegee speed, printing pressure, and more. The squeegee condition is essential to ensure sharp, clear solder prints. The squeegee speed has an especially close relationship with the printing pressure, which constantly changes during the process. A skilled engineer must monitor, identify, and control these parameters. However, it is almost impossible due to the number of dependencies. So how can a manufacturer improve a process? Introducing KPO, the first step to realize your smart factory. KPO will help manufacturers achieve the ultimate printing process reliability and consistency. So, what is KPO? It is a comprehensive process optimization solution comprised of 3 interlinking modules. Each module is integrated into K-Box. The first step is to collect production yield data from printed boards. KPO captures these printing results in real time and uses AI-based algorithm to find the complex relationship between key printer parameters and printing quality. KPO will recommend the ideal operating parameters to maximize yield and production efficiency based on actual data. KPO facilitates communication between the SPI and printer to ensure the ideal printing process is maintained during operation. How does Koh Young work its magic with KPO? First, the PDM will detect the initial printer SPI setup problems based on SPI data. Based on process setup results, KPO generates necessary parameters to run a DOE. Users can modify parameters with a simple click. The PAM engine runs a DOE on 17 prints and then analyzes the results. Before recommending the optimal printing parameters to the user, PAM engine shows how reliable the conducted DOE is. It also allows the user to remove or rerun suspicious DOE data to enhance the reliability and the fitness of DOE modeling. With 15 years of expertise processing 3D big data sets, KPO quickly identifies the optimal set points and then adjusts the parameters using AI. PAM shows an analysis with results to configure the optimized settings for each aperture. Of course, KPO verifies these settings will be suitable for production. The PAM engine provides users with a comparison between the print results, user-defined parameters, and PAM-suggested parameters. Designed to optimize the production process, KPO provides feedback to improve the print process with optimal parameters. With KPO, manufacturers can set print parameters for various solder types to reduce trial and error tasks and improve the process efficiency. KPO reduces production costs by maximizing print quality and reducing the total cost of ownership. KPO standardizes global printing process with a revolutionary rate of quality improvement. Welcome to Koh Young. Welcome to Industry 4.0.